we interrupt your usual scheduled broadcast of Kiwi in Japan for a very exciting special episode. Basically, Cherry showed up at my house and was like, look at this cute promotion they've got on for Kinder Egg Surprise at the moment. I don't know if this is not Nestle, this is not a Kinder Egg, but they've got little Animal Crossing figurines, and these were 200 yen each. So Cherry comes over and says, oh, look, I've got one of these. We can open it together. And I said, hang on a second. I'm going to go to the supermarket and get a couple for myself. So we've got a couple here to do a nice little video. Cherry also has no idea that I've bought 8 more of these, so I'll get her reaction when she comes in too. Actually, guys, I've decided I'm only gonna have 2 out. The rest are hidden under my coat down there. Cherry's gonna think I've only got 2. I'm gonna open both the 2 in the video, and then I'm gonna pull more out and she'll get surprised. So this is gonna be a very exciting video. That's how many. Just got 2. I got 1 more for you and 1 for me. I thought it'd be fine.
I thought you're gonna buy like 5.
We can always buy more if it's like a character we don't like, because the only characters I know are Isabelle and KK Slider, which are the 2 on the front. And then there's like Tom Nook's little, oh, you can get Tom Nook as well. You can get his little kids. I think maybe you get both of them. Some of these characters look familiar, but I'm not too sure. Exciting. Let's do it. Did you want to open one as well? You want to open your own one? Well, I'll open these first. I'm very excited for the Nintendo Switch Animal Crossing game. I'm definitely going to get it maybe a month after it comes out. I just want a little bit of a price drop. Unless Cherry gets it immediately, I'm going to get it too. But I've never played Animal Crossing like religiously, but I know quite a lot about it. I love farming simulators and Stardew Valley and stuff. This isn't actually Kinder, is it? It's not Kinder. It's not Kinder chocolate, but I'm excited. This is strange that you have to like bite it to get it. Should I take a bite into the chocolate? I'm gonna do it, okay. It smells like Kinder Egg, so maybe it is. All right, here we go. Oh God. I thought these were illegal in Japan. I thought Kinder Surprises, it counts as gambling. I guess it counts as gachapon. I know it's illegal in some countries. What is the first character? Okay. There's a little owl! Little owlmon. Oh my God, you have to build it! Holy cow! It's got all these little pieces. It's his wings. You have to put his wings in place. Oh, that's cute. Cute little guy. Oh, he's got a book. Look at that. I don't know why you have to build it, necessarily. Gotta teach the kids, I guess. There he is. Little owlmon. Cute! If you know this character, leave me a comment down below. I don't know who this character is. I like him though. I like his little book. For a Kinder Egg surprise toy, that's so cool. Like in New Zealand, you'd get like you get a little toy cart. What have we got? Oh, we've got some instructions about him. We've got his name. Fuki? Fuke? Futa? Futa? Probably comes from Fukuro. Bukuro, which means owl. Cute. There's like all the information, his birthday and stuff, I think. His gender, it is a he. And all the other characters on the back. That's so many. That's more than was advertised on the box, I'm pretty sure. Holy cow. We should get a good look at that. There's 2 mystery runs as well. 2 characters you've got no idea what they're gonna be. Wow. Cool, man. I'm gonna make such a mess with this chocolate, honestly, but I'm in like such a frenzy. Every time. Who's it gonna be? Who's it? Chocolate dropping everywhere. Oh! No! Is it another bird? It's an eagle. Look at the pieces. That's cool. The eagle guy. This is a he. His name is Apollo. 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 Which means eagle in like Latin or something. Wait, does it? Or does it mean like wind god? Apollo, Aquila. Aquila means eagle in Latin or something. But check him out. I gotta make him. If a kid can figure it out, so can I. There he is. He sits on a little rock. How cute is that? Wow. Now I really have to play Animal Crossing now. Check this out. Check out my little guys. All right, Cherry, it's your turn. How are you gonna eat it?
As a kid, I think...
Whoa. Perfect! Oh my god, that's what I should have done. Who's it gonna be? Which character are we gonna get? Please be KK Slide or Isabel.
Oh.
What? Oh, you got the Eaglemon!
It's the same one.
Cute!
It's the same
It's
one.
the same guy. It's the identical brother. It's a Poro. I quite like, he's like kind of like, they're kind of like rubbery. They're not like plastic. Cherry.
Hmm? Oh my god.
Surprise!
Oh my god. Actual surprise dinner.
Yeah. I couldn't
struggling.
resist. This is gonna be great. All right. What are we gonna do?
Eat chocolate.
Ready to make an absolute mess here today. Got so many more to go. Mmm. Yummy. What we got this time? Oh no! Almond! What the heck? I'm not even gonna assemble him. There he is. There he is, another Almond. Ay, ay, ay. Okay. We love Animal Crossing here today. We are excited for the new game. I want the new game. Are you gonna get Animal Crossing? Cherry's gonna get Animal Crossing. She's nodding. Let me know in the comments. You want Animal Crossing? I'm getting Animal Crossing. Oh. Mmm. Oh my god, I'm eating so much chocolate so fast. Who is the next character going to be? Oh! Look at that. What's that? Is it Sonic? Sonic's poking his ass out. Whoa! Oh, cute. Now this is like a porcupine. Cute little face. I do have to make her though. I'm pretty sure it's a girl. Oh, she's got a little apron as well. What a horrible sight that is. Get in there. There it is. There's your head. Cute. I really like her. She might be the best one so far. A little apron. It's so cute. Her name's not in katakana. It's in Japanese. Kinuyo. Kinuyo. Cute Kinuyo. Kawaii. You're very kawaii. Look at that. Okay, I'm really worried about all this chocolate and all this mess that I'm making, but I will continue to make a mess for you guys at home. Let's do it. I'm gonna pick it up. Please be a new character. It is! Oh my god! It's the brothers! It's both of them! It's Tom Nook's little kids. These are like main characters in the new game. This is exciting, but they're very strange. I don't know how to assemble. What is this cube? Oh, does he stand behind him or something? Does he stand on this little pillar? Or on a box? He stands on the box. Oh my god. Wait, is that right? I don't know. Let's sort this out later. It's a lot of chocolate. Look at all these empty eggs. There's 5 empty eggs of chocolate. All along here. I'm making such a mess. This is kind of disgusting. Here we go. Let's party. Yummy. Who is it this time? Oh my god. It's a duck. It's a little duck. I really like the ducks in Animal Crossing. Cute. He's already finished. He's reading a little book. He's precious. What's his name? I've got to find out this guy's name. Kamomi. Kamomi in katakana, I think. Kamomi. He's small. He can sit at the front of everyone there. Don't look at the Tom Nook brothers. Don't look at him! 2 more to go. Having a little bit of a chocolate OD right now, maybe a bit of a sugar high. And who's it gonna be this time? Oh my god. I think it's yes it is. Tom Nook brothers. Tom Nook brothers again. Let's put them over here, away from the rest so we don't get them all mixed up. Don't look at him! I just want to find out what the Tom Nook brothers' names are. Mama Kichi and Tsubukichi. I wonder if they probably have different names in English, don't they? And the last one, I've got a fine film of chocolate in my mouth from eating so much so fast. This is the last one. I really hope for a KK Slider or Isabel. But here we go. Who is it going to be? Is the question on everyone's lips. And oh my god. You get out of that shell, man. Oh, bloody hell. Get out of here. We don't want to see your kind. Well, damn it. I don't expect 3 owl moms. We started with an owl, we finished with an owl. Okay. Thank you for watching, guys. I'm really excited for Animal Crossing. I hope you guys are going to play it as well. That's the end of the video. Very exciting to have such a cool Kinder Egg toy here in Japan. Well, I don't think it's officially Kinder Egg. The chocolate's pretty good though. It's got that like white chocolate inside, brown chocolate outside. Although I've eaten quite a bit. My hands are very chocolatey. Look at all this damn chocolate. I need to lie down. I've eaten way too much chocolate.
Eat chocolate.
Oh man, thanks for watching, guys. You take care. Check out my other Kiwi in Japan videos. I'm in Tokyo at the moment in the chronological order of these videos, but coming up there'll be some unboxing videos of cool things I bought in Akihabara and Tokyo, and Nakano Broadway, I mean. So stay tuned, subscribe. See you later. Don't look at him!